for a meal that's quick, healthy, and bursting with flavor. Today, we're sharing the ultimate quick and healthy chicken stir-fry recipe that's perfect for busy weeknights or when you need a nutritious meal in a flash. Packed with colorful veggies, lean protein, and a delicious sauce, this stir-fry will become your go-to dinner option. Stay tuned for step-by-step tips to make this recipe a breeze. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy and healthy recipes. 1. Choose the right chicken. The choice of chicken is the first step to a delicious stir-fry. Boneless, skinless chicken breast is ideal if you want a lean, high-protein option with minimal fat. Alternatively, chicken thighs provide a richer, juicier flavor that many prefer in stir-fry dishes. Begin by trimming away any excess fat and cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces for even cooking. To ensure the chicken stays moist and flavorful, marinate it in a mix of soy sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch. This marinade tenderizes the chicken while locking in savory flavor. A 15 to 20-minute marination period is all you need for great results. Not only does this step enhance taste, but it also ensures the chicken cooks to perfection. 2. Prep your veggies. The secret to a great stir-fry lies in the veggies. Pick a vibrant mix of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, mushrooms, or even bok choy for variety. The more colorful, the more nutrients you'll pack into your dish. Wash your produce thoroughly to remove any dirt and slice everything into uniform pieces for even cooking. Prepping ahead makes the stir-fry process smooth and prevents overcooking. For crisp, tender results, aim to cook harder veggies like broccoli and carrots slightly longer than softer ones like mushrooms. Add leafy greens like spinach toward the end for a burst of freshness. The variety not only makes your stir-fry visually appealing, but also boosts its flavor and health benefits. Prepping your vegetables properly ensures each bite is balanced and satisfying. It's an essential step for a quick, healthy meal. 3. Make a flavorful sauce. A good sauce is the heart of any stir-fry. Whisk together a mix of soy sauce for savory depth, honey for a touch of sweetness, and rice vinegar for tanginess. Add garlic and fresh ginger to bring aromatic layers of flavor, while a pinch of red pepper flakes or sriracha gives a subtle kick of heat. For that glossy restaurant-style finish, mix cornstarch into the sauce as a thickening agent before cooking. This simple combination ensures that your chicken and vegetables are perfectly coated. Feel free to adjust the proportions to suit your taste. For example, add more honey if you prefer sweeter dishes or more ginger for spice. The sauce not only elevates the flavors, but also ties all the components together. It's quick to prepare and transforms ordinary ingredients into something extraordinary. A homemade sauce is what makes your stir-fry unforgettable. 4. Cook in the right order. Timing is everything when it comes to stir-fry. Start by heating a large wok or skillet over high heat to ensure a proper sear on your chicken. Add a small amount of oil with a high smoke point, like avocado or vegetable oil. Cook the chicken first, searing it until golden brown and fully cooked, then remove it from the pan to avoid overcooking. Next, add the harder vegetables, such as broccoli and carrots, to the hot wok and stir frequently. Once they start to soften, toss in softer vegetables like mushrooms and bell peppers. Add leafy greens or snap peas toward the end so they stay crisp and vibrant. Return the chicken to the pan and pour in the sauce, stirring quickly to coat everything evenly. Cooking each component in stages ensures perfect texture and flavor balance. This method brings out the best in every ingredient. 5. Use high heat for best results. Stir-frying is all about quick cooking at high heat, so your pan or wok must be scorching hot before you begin. High heat helps achieve that signature char and smoky flavor known as wok high in traditional stir-fries. It also prevents ingredients from steaming, which can make them soggy. Preheat your pan for several minutes before adding oil, and ensure the oil is shimmering before introducing the chicken or veggies. Keep the ingredients moving constantly to avoid burning and ensure even cooking. A well-heated wok also locks in the nutrients of the vegetables while giving them a crisp, tender texture. High-heat cooking might take practice, but it's essential for an authentic stir-fry experience. It speeds up the process while enhancing the overall taste and texture. Mastering high heat will elevate your stir-fry from good to restaurant quality. 6. Don't overcrowd the pan. One of the most common stir-fry mistakes is overcrowding the pan. When too many ingredients are added at once, they release moisture and steam rather than sear. To avoid this, cook in batches if needed, especially if your wok or skillet is small. Start with the chicken, giving it enough space to develop a golden brown crust, then set it aside. Repeat the same with the vegetables, grouping harder ones first and softer ones later. Once everything is cooked, combine the ingredients and toss with the sauce. By cooking in smaller portions, each ingredient retains its individual texture and flavor. This approach also prevents sogginess and ensures your stir-fry is vibrant and fresh. A little patience goes a long way in creating a perfectly balanced dish. Remember, stir-fry is about quality, not quantity. 7. Customize with your favorite ingredients. One of the best things about stir-fry is its versatility. You can adapt the recipe based on your preferences or what's available in your kitchen. Swap chicken for shrimp, beef, or tofu for a different protein. Experiment with vegetables like zucchini, green beans, or baby corn for added variety. You can also incorporate nuts like cashews or peanuts for crunch, or fresh herbs like cilantro for a burst of flavor. Adjust the sauce to include oyster sauce, hoisin, or even peanut butter for unique twists. The beauty of stir-fry lies in its ability to cater to different tastes and dietary needs. Customizing the recipe ensures you never get bored while keeping meals healthy and exciting. It's a dish that evolves with your creativity and cravings. 8. Serve with the right base. A good stir-fry deserves an equally good base to complete the meal. Traditionally, stir-fry is served with steamed white or brown rice, but you can switch things up with quinoa, cauliflower rice, or noodles. For a low-carb option, try spiralized zucchini or shirataki noodles. Cooking the base while preparing the stir-fry saves time and ensures everything is ready to serve together. If you're using rice or noodles, lightly toss them in the wok with the sauce for extra flavor. The base not only complements the stir-fry, but also helps soak up the delicious sauce. Choose what works best for your dietary preferences and enjoy a satisfying, balanced meal. A well-paired base brings everything together for a complete dish. 9. Garnish for extra flavor. The final touch to a great stir-fry is the garnish. Sprinkle chopped green onions, sesame seeds, or crushed peanuts on top for added texture and flavor. A drizzle of sesame oil or a squeeze of fresh lime juice elevates the dish to new heights. For spice lovers, add thinly sliced chili or a dash of chili oil. Garnishes not only enhance the presentation, but also introduce new layers of flavor. They're an easy way to customize the dish to your liking and make it feel special. A beautifully garnished stir-fry is as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the taste buds. Don't skip this step, it's the cherry on top of your culinary creation. 10. Serve and enjoy immediately. Stir-fry is best enjoyed fresh off the stove while it's still hot and vibrant. Serve it straight from the wok to preserve the crispness of the vegetables and the tenderness of the chicken. Portion it out into bowls or plates, making sure each serving has a good mix of chicken, vegetables, and sauce. Pair it with your chosen base and add your garnishes for the perfect finishing touch. The beauty of stir-fry is its simplicity and speed. It's ready to enjoy in minutes. Gather your loved ones or enjoy a quiet, satisfying meal by yourself. Either way, this quick and healthy recipe will leave you feeling nourished and delighted. Dig in and savor the fruits of your effort. Thanks for joining us on this quick and flavorful culinary adventure. This healthy chicken stir-fry recipe is proof that nutritious meals can be delicious and easy to make. If you love this recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more wholesome and time-saving dishes. Let us know in the comments how yours turned out or what ingredients you added. See you in the next vid.